Hello there, everybody. It's me, your fearless leader, Mike. I want to talk to you guys now that you're all configured around what comes next. So I'm going to take this time to just take a step back and show you guys a quick tour of Apollo. At a high level, we'll dive into each of these areas individually. But to kind of summarize Apollo, right? Apollo started out as a data enrichment and contact information finding platform alongside a sequencing tool. Now, a sequence is a outbound strategy for a specific group of people. Okay, so that could be comprised of a couple different channels. A channel would be emails, phone calls, LinkedIn outreach, so on and so forth. Okay, so the first thing I want to focus on here is our sequences. All right. So the workflow right now is whenever somebody comes on board, they have their own sequence. And you guys will see here that your scale sequences are directly integrated with Orem, okay, which is why each of you has your own. We have 3 separate phone call steps per contact that we reach out to in each of these sequences. Now, I'm actually going to space this out just a little bit, and I'll update the rest to reflect this. But point is, just because we call once and don't get in touch with somebody doesn't mean that we don't follow up with that person. Okay, so most sales leaders like to, or at least like the gurus on LinkedIn, they recommend like a lot of touches and a lot of calls. I think anything over 3 per person gets annoying, and we probably would have booked a meeting or a demo in those first 3. And then you come to opportunity cost, right? So if we're calling this person 3 times or 7 times, is that going to be as effective as calling another person for the first time? I think the answer is no, but people do get busy, so I think 3 is a reasonable clip. This is what I populate with prospects for you guys, that when you go into Orem, you see, this many calls due. So that's our scale sequence. It's literally just the phone call steps for each of you. You guys have your own individual version of this sequence. So just find it with your name here, and I'll talk about what happens next in the next video here.